bite dust. bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff. Please start talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.